How are you, Jim?
Really well, Ben.
That's good.
Thanks for asking.
Yeah, no worries at all. Monday's come around again?
It has, and the job's been done well. Guys worked over the weekend, I understand, so I want to thank you for that too.
No worries at all, mate. I'm glad she's all sorted.
Yeah.
We've done the power system, we've done the satellite system, done the whole lithium conversion.
That's the one. Threw all the bad stuff away and put good stuff in. That's what I wanted.
That's exactly right. Pretty happy with it, are you?
I'm more than happy with it. More than happy with it. It's fabulous. The install, the quality, fantastic. And working with you guys has been fantastic. It's just too easy. You get my recommendation for sure.
Where'd you actually come from to get here, mate?
We live down the south coast of New South Wales, below Bateman's Bay. I have a son who's working in Townsville, it's military. We wanted to go up and see him, and we spent a bit of time at Agnes Water. On our way home now, and we thought we'd catch up with you, and glad you were open to it.
Excellent, yeah. We swung by for a satellite system initially, ended up going to Sat King Pro Max, but while we was here, we took a bit of a look at the AGMs, which were looking a little bit sad on the way out, so went lithium as well, all mounted underneath with your custom caravan here.
It is. In fact, we designed this caravan and had it built. We've been around Australia once, across the Gibb River Road on it, down the Savannah Way. Between this and the truck, happy days. It's a really good thing, but it was time for an overhaul, and you're just the boys to do it.
All right, Jim, coming to the inside of the caravan here.
Yes, mate.
You got two handy little holes in the floor. What's going on there?
We do, mate. We put the sort of design into this that you'd put into a yacht, where every piece counts. So there's little holes below the floor, and they were designed for batteries. So the centre of gravity is low between the independent suspension. And this was for long-term storage of those bits you hope you never have to use, like bearings and so on.
Yeah, cool.
But it's all heavy and down below the floor. And with this unit, it just was a smarter thing to do to put this where it is now because of the volume and the space, which leaves me the back unit to put the other things in, which is about the right size. So good job, well done. And by the way, I love what you've done here.
I appreciate that, yeah, cheers. You actually had your old batteries were in there from memory when we were doing that.
We did, we had 4 big ones in there, and now we've got 1 big one here.
That's exactly right, yeah. So that actually got the smaller storage there, got the larger one here, which actually gave us plenty of room to fit the big 200 amp Enerdrive lithium battery in there with the Multiplus. It's definitely a highlight of this system.
It is.
Yeah, the Multiplus there, letting you run all the 240 volt points around the place is definitely convenient. Cool thing about these ones too, Jim, as I spoke to you about earlier, the control up above lets you adjust that 240 volt input coming in and out, which is just fantastic.
And I particularly like this bit, which allows me to go 240, which meant the 240 TV doesn't have to have its own little inverter. It all just works off the power points.
That's right, yeah. Initially we were going to go the little inverter for that one, but we figured this now lets you run your microwave. If you ever get an induction cooktop.
Now you're going to make my wife happy. That's good.
Good. Double win there for sure. Easy peasy.
For sure.
Yep.
Oh, I appreciate it, Ben. As I said earlier, fantastic job. And for anybody else that's wanting to get this sort of stuff done, solar and sat, right here in Bundaberg, go Bundaberg. It's been fantastic, and it's been an experience, and I'm very happy. And I'd recommend you to anybody who wants any work done.